So I think we are in live. Wait, let me just paste it. Okay. So yeah, I think we are live. Today date is 23, and I have done some questions. So today, what I'm going to do is I will just revise PYQs which I solved earlier, not earlier. Okay. So let me just revise it. So yesterday I like in previous two attempts I can't able to solve one stack question. It is from 2003 and this question was done. It is like in my experience it is one of the toughest question ever. So I will mention the question as well, like it is GATE CSE 2003 from stacks concept. Okay, and if you want you can also try, and after I found here one solution which is very good. That's all. So yes, so what we have to do, okay, we just have to just see the questions and move on. Okay, let's go Spotify and okay, let me do what is not change visit. And okay, and pause this because to enhance this. It should stream is it private, right? Okay, it's not private. So this is click only. So yeah, I have to pin this message, right? Okay, to pin. Oh, yes, got it. So yeah, this is the question. Yeah. So just have to look at the results. Okay, let's do some questions revision. Close this. Okay, so yeah, I have completed NPTEL mock 2 23 today. I have completed every NPTEL mock 2 as well. So I think it will take so much time to load. So what is this here? This database or what is this? I just want this. Okay. Yeah, I got this. So we just see wrong. Okay. This question, okay. It did not work well. So fine. Yeah, it is loaded. So the little count question of the sum of each. Okay. So what is the minimum possible literal count of product of soup? Okay, and they are given sum of product and we have to find sum of product and the expected function given by the following given. Here I don't care. Okay. So in this question, is the sum of number of times each literal appears in each expression. For example, the literal count of xy plus x bar is 4. Okay, fine. Like they are counting every time it appears. So what is the minimum possibilities? A literal count the product of sum and sum of product respectively for the following. Okay. So at least don't care. So what we have to do is first we have to find the SOP, then after we have to find as well as POS. Okay, here zeros are there. So if we do, I think that I don't do every, I don't, okay, let me do what's here. If we just do Okay, don't care is there, right? So okay, if we consider this diagonal terms, what do we get? These two words common, this two words common in this y bar, and these two. Okay, we don't need to write the expression, right? We just need to count. If okay, y bar is set. Okay, if it comes to 2, then it will become 2 definitely. Okay, fine. So it is 2. Okay, here it is 2. Consider as SOP. It is POS. Okay. So what is next? So 2, and then what about this? What is your name is box. Okay. Computer to go to this. Okay. If we cancel this, so we can't take any more. So just I can take 3. Okay, 2 plus 3. So we are done on this one. Okay, just have to do this. Okay, what this? We just do this 2, get 3. 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is the answer. 2, 6. Here it is common. And what if we do, like if we do this thing, what we are going to get? What is 2? What is here common? That's all, right? Committed. And out of this term, if we consider this, and here 1, here only 1 we get. Okay, if we consider this one, we will get 2. No, here and this 2 and this 1. So I think 8. Yeah, I think there is a mismatch in this question. I remember it as mismatch. So PS 8. So POS. If POS 0, so it will become what? It will become Z bar plus W bar into zeros. Okay, consider these 2 zeros. So okay, plus what is so common between these 2? Common is 0 is common, right? So 0 means y means 0 means y bar. No, 0 means y. So yeah, this one down. What about this color? What to do this 2? Okay. Okay, we can do these 2 also, right? And this 2, if we do this, we get again 3. Okay, here we get 3. After here we get also 3. Here we get 3. Here also we get what? Here we get 3. Okay, 3 done. What is this one? 3, 6. Which is 1, 3. 3 equals 12. So something is wrong. Okay, we have considered this both one, right? So I think this is just one term less 11. Okay, so it become 11. So what else? So we cannot consider this one, right? So it become 10. Okay, so not wrong, it will be the answer 9, 10. But what's the relate? So what about this one? There is nothing to do with this. This term definitely should be not. This term definitely should be 2. This term definitely should be 3. And yeah, I got it. Let me check the answer. I think there is a wrong distribution. This is okay. This is okay. This high. Okay. Okay, what is this? Where is coming from this line? This, what is this? Oh. So what's the answer? Seems okay, right? Seems okay. Yeah, this question. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, answer. But they given something was marked wrong. There is a one to attribute just to these two grouping. What will get what? Okay, 3 terms, right? Okay, you can just do one pattern 3 terms, please. And 2 terms. What else is left? Here. To any grouping, what will get? Okay. For this one, you can do box also, right? For the box will come 2, and that's it is getting more, so we'll get 2. Plus 3. Okay, so they getting definitely right. Just do this question. Zero, one, zero, one. Don't get 0. 1, don't get 0. Don't get 0, 0, don't get. Okay, if we consider as okay. So this time will be considered. So okay. What next? Okay, first we have to follow grouping. So we group this picker terms. Let's say group this picker term, and after what we have to group these two. This grouping will become 2. This will become 3, and this will become 3. That's it, right? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 3. This is 3. The grouping is 2. Grouping is 2. Okay. This is how they consider. Okay, no. What it knows, it's clearly correct. Don't need to do extra grouping. I just need to 8. This one is 10. Yeah. Yeah. So what's this? Okay, if I do 1, let's group these 2. If I do 0, 3, okay, and 2, and then 2, so 2, and done. This, okay, now just do. Just cross right, just 2, okay. 16, 18, okay, 9, 3, 4, 5, 9, okay, 9 count, it will let you waste answer for this question. So, yeah. Also, 9 count, okay. Go with 9 count, 10, so let's go, okay, fine. Next question, okay, next question, yeah, this question I got it. So how to this like what? The given ED bar plus C bar plus PT bar, which of the following expression does not correspond to kernel of neuron by the given expression? So, how to check this type of questions? The following does not correspond to kernel of neuron expression. So, we want to do this type of questions. Like, we have to convert this to canonical. Like, if I'm not wrong, this is the way I approached this question. So what we have to do was to convert this into canonical form. So then we get it, right? Or this is too much. Is there any simpler way to do this? So here by observing you can see these four variables are present. If you want to do all this stuff, which you have to, the first time we have to get, oh my god, it's not corresponding. Hey bro, we have to do with what, C plus C bar again, B plus B bar, and again we have to minimize this, all this stuff. And how to do these type of questions? What approach? Just putting it. Okay. So we have to do this process. We have to convert into K-map first. I mean canonical SOP means standard form like SSOP, and to check on what doesn't correspond to. So how did they approach that? Okay. Damn it, bro. We have one thing, like this is one expression and this is also one expression. If we take by-case method, okay, if we consider by-case method, then we can simply get right. So by this question, this question we can do the best possible to us by-case method. We have to check for the value. So suppose if you can see here this question, A is dependent. Okay. Let us make this question. I mean, let us make this expression. So A, B, C, D. Okay, there are four variables are there. So let's make this expression a 0. Okay. So what will we do to make it 0? 0 means 1. Okay. A can be anything. Okay, if A is 1, it will be 0. Okay, let us say A is 1 and then D is 0. Okay, so then what? A is 1 means 0. Okay, and what next? D is 0. Okay, that's all. B, C can be anything. Okay, B, C can be anything. We don't care about it. So we have to prove it. So what will become what? It will become 0. So D. So if it is A is 1. Okay, here D bar is 1. That's all. These options gone. What about next? These options are gone. B also gone. What about this C? Okay, C. I think C. Okay, C we have to do. C here. AD bar is there. Bro, what the heck, bro? This is CA and D bar. D bar is 1. So if we do by this, so yeah, I think D will be 1, right? If D is 1 and B is 0, that's all. Then this option will be 0. So B, C can be anything. So consider like A is 1 and D bar, okay, 0, D bar is 0, and B, we don't care about B. Okay, and next one. So we consider the CD bar is there. C body, C bar means taking anything. It is value 0. So we just have to do C now. Okay, anything. So it's 0. So AD bar, okay, AD bar will be there. A bar C bar D. Okay, A bar C bar D. It will become 1. Like A 0 A bar. Okay. You don't care about this. Okay, if we care about this, means it becomes 0. D bar, where is D? Okay, here D is there, here A bar is 0. Okay, fine. So this also, like, it is consuming time. Yeah, I think this will be the best approach. Don't have to go. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to see AD bar, and AD bar is common and CD. So what we have to do is we have to make such that this expression is true, and for the same address this will be false. That's the whole point we have to prove. So if you prove like A C bar D, okay, if you prove this as 1, okay, if you prove this as 1, so let me just do all 1. There are 16 possibilities we have to try, but we'll just check all ones. So what is all 1? All 1 is just like 1. At least it will become 0. Is there any 1? No, here D bar. What is D bar is? If D bar is okay, we don't have to make it to change. So what is here? C bar, D bar. Okay, what is C bar is? What is C bar is 0? Okay, what is C bar is 0? What is okay? Here CD bar is here, so 0. So to CD is 0. Okay, if we do this thing, it will become 1. CD, yeah, this option is wrong. And what? This is also wrong. Okay, so this both got eliminated. AB got eliminated. So what is next? C bar is there. A B C bar. We have to check on this. Okay, A B C bar. Okay, A B C bar. These two options are there. So A C D bar. Okay, A C D bar. Okay, let me check on this option A C D bar. So how we can go here? Everything C bar is there. So C bar, if C is 1, then everything is gone. That's all. So if C is 1, okay, if C is 1, two terms are gone, and A D bar. Okay, if A is okay, if what if C is 0? Okay, if C is 1, everything is gone, and okay, if A is 1 and D bar is 0, okay. No. I need to get so it's wrong. So what next? What we have to look? So this is A bar C bar is common, and A bar C bar is common, and A B C bar is common, and C D bar C bar D and B C D. Okay, let me check with B bar C bar D bar. So if we take all 1, at least one thing is true. No. What if take all 0? Okay, let me just try with all zeros. So if we take all zeros, yeah, one thing will be true. Here also one is true. It's getting bad. So it's not like me. So what next? Check me one live stream. Okay. Crazy everywhere. How do we react with this? values are there. What is this? So yeah, this question, damn it. So if I have 2 minutes, shall I draw the two tables and is it necessary? Okay, let me check what about TA and practice method is the best method for this question. So I like as a final if B is 1 and we get what we get 4 cases, so B is what about B? B if A is 1 B C D are there, B C okay A B C D if A is 1 B can be D is 0. I think first option check what D is 0. Okay, here AD is not there, so we should put AD. Okay, if this term makes 1, okay, if this term what if C is 0? Okay, then what if C is 0? Okay, it will become 1. What is B? B is 0. Yeah, what it 1 0 0. So if we do like A D become 1. That's all. What about here? B C D bar. Okay, B bar C bar D bar. Damn it, here also will become 1, right? So here it will become A and all zeros will work. Okay, so I think R1s. Okay, what if we take R1s? If we consider R1s, then I think there is only way which we can do is all ones. For instance, your C word is the C word. Okay, let me just simplify the expression one thing. AD bar plus A bar C bar plus B C bar D. Okay, you can just take C bar common. What will you get? A bar plus BD. Okay, if we can't simplify this further, so next here AD bar is here. So AD bar plus, okay, this is the expression which is simplified. So what next? So yeah, we can make this very complex. So if you want to make this one, there are possibilities like A can be phase 1, okay, A, B can be anything, CD, okay, phase 1, okay, and C is 0, and D bar. Okay, if you want to make it 0, then what are the possibilities? So A is 0, A is 0, then we don't care about D, and D can be anything, okay, take care of B as well. C should be 1, okay, if this 2, then the result should be 0. That's all. So we can don't care about. So let me check this first one. A is 0, okay, A is 0, then 0, then 0, then C bar is 0. C bar means what? 1 is 0. So C bar is 1 0. So option 1 will. So what next? C bar is 0. C bar is 0. A D bar. Okay, here 1, here 1. Okay, here 0. 0. So A 0, B bar, C bar, 0, A bar, C bar, 0, A B. That's all. So it will not go 0. So what's the next way to become 0? Okay, we'll make A as 1. Okay, if we make A as 1 and B can be anything, C can be definitely second one, and D can be 1. Okay, if we try like this, C bar 0. So okay, these two possibilities to become 0. That's all. So next, C bar 0 and D bar definitely 0. So A into B became everything. C bar 0, A bar 0. That's all. So A is not met by this. So what about B? So A is there. So A bar 0, 0, and D bar 0. So C bar 0. So based on what is next, B bar. Okay, B bar can C bar 0 and D bar 0. So A, C, D bar is there 0. C bar is 0. Yes. So from these two possibilities are to become 0. So what next? We have to make 1. So 1 means A should be 1. So D should be 1 and C bar should be 1. C bar should be 1. No, C should be 0. So what else? So B don't care about D. So if A should be 1, then it will be 0. If B, okay, then definitely it will be 1. Okay, this is the only. So let me try this. So it will become 1. Stop. Okay. Definitely A should be 1. D bar should be 1. C should be 0. Yeah, this is the only one case which will get only 1. Okay, then C bar D bar. Okay, C bar D bar. Okay, check C bar D bar is 0. So A D bar 0. C bar 1. Okay. Bro, see that? Like A D bar. Okay, now after here we have to like A D bar as 1 and C plus A bar plus B. Okay, this total not consider. So we have to make just maybe 1 means like A become 1 and D become 0. So here it's like A become 1 and D become 0, then definitely it should be 1. So B and C, we don't care about B and C. So A D bar, the A D bar just we can't check out further. So C bar D bar is here. A D bar we can check. So A bar A D bar. Okay, this everything is done. A D bar we have to. Okay, we don't have to check about A D bar for this question. Yeah. And then what next? C can be anything, but C can be 0 and let C can be 0. Let's go to 0. So A B bar will be 0 and A bar C bar. A bar C bar 0 A B C bar. That's it. Option D is gone. That is check on option E and B. So A and B, how it will go. And so this question is tough. So option C got eliminated by this. So what next? We have to make this one. So how to do that? So if A is 1, okay, if A is 1, this center time will be 0. So what next? So we have to make B. If B as okay, if we make B as 0, this term will go and this term will go. Then what about C? What about C and C is 1. Become 1. C can be anything and D can be 0. T0, then that's it. Okay, if T0 is 1, C can be anything. Okay, here 0, A, D bar. Okay, here. So you don't have to consider D bar, right? Because only A bar C. So, okay. Select A bar. It's not. If A bar is 1, it will be 0. Then what about C? B should be 1 and C should be 0 and it should be 1. So 1 0 1. So these terms don't have to care about this term. C bar D bar it is 1. C bar D bar this is 0 and C bar this is 1 and if this is okay and then we are going to take A bar C bar D. So this one, so damn, this question is equals to 1. So what next? C bar D. Okay, and let us simplify this. How to simplify with C bar D bar? Okay, here D bar is counted. We make D bar is common. So what we can do? D bar is common, and we make C bar plus C. Okay, and remaining should be what is that? One should be what we can get what is C bar common. Okay, C bar common is like AB plus AD. Okay, remaining can take okay. A bar B plus A bar AB plus A bar D A bar D. So this first option, next option. Okay. 3 to 86. So what we have to do? Ultimate 0 and 0 1. So what is D bar C? So if DC should be 0, so DC should be 0. If DC are 1 1. DC are 1 1, D1, C1, C1 0. Everything is cancelled, right? So yeah, to make this 0, this is okay. We have to make this 1 before this. Make this 1. How to make this 1? This is 0 and next. Yeah. Is 0 and is 1. Sorry. Oh, okay. So we got to see. This question, I think I took more than 20 minutes to do this question. This one single question. So here, forget to check with the experiment. Check option A. Option A CD, but check the band from 0 to 8. Okay. So here it is same like min counts filling. I convert it to SS sloping and done. So 1. By case method to go fast. Okay, case method A equals 0. Given equation C plus D bar equals to what is this? Given equation C bar plus B C D bar. Okay, C bar plus what is A? What value C is? How did be able to see by case method? Case 1 A equal to 0. If A equal to 0, then okay. Bro. Okay. So what here start over? So if you have to do by case method only. So if a equal to 0, we can simplify the expression. So if we can able to simplify the expression to all, then that's all. That's it, right? So we can't eliminate. So we get same. So if we do a equals to 1, we're going to eliminate BCD options. So it's a simple way to do. It's great. This is not a nice question. Nice question, please. Time taking question. It was 790. Okay. So let me do this question again. That's just. So let's do what? So we consider a equals 0. Okay, a equals 0. This is case 1. So if a equals 0 and this term will be go and this term will be left with c bar plus b bar c bar d. Okay, if we consider c, okay, we will get c bar as answer. Okay, means for the expression we get c bar. Okay, if a equals 0, we have to apply the same. Okay, for option 1, what we'll get? We get a equals 0, this term equals until this term. Okay, this term will c bar d bar. Okay, plus a bar c bar d bar. Okay, here what is a? Here a is 0, it means it's plus 0, so it becomes c bar. That's all. Okay, option A that doesn't go. Option B 0 become 1. C bar is 0. Okay, we got into c bar. That's all. Option B doesn't go. Option C you will get what we get enter c bar. That's all. Option D also doesn't go. Option D. Okay, how can we check option C doesn't go like that? So okay, let me just do this. If we substitute equals 0, then what we get? C bar and plus c bar d bar plus a d bar. Okay, e counter a 0, right? So that's it. We get option C bar. Okay, option C will get the same, I think. Yeah, same 0 and C bar. Okay, here is 0. Okay, wrong, nice. So option D is okay, fine. So if we take equals to 1, okay, we can't eliminate any option by equal 0. If we take equals to 1, what will we get? We get here this one will go. So here 1. So here d bar plus b c bar d. Okay, we'll get like this. So is there any simplification method? I think so. No. Okay, let me check it. So for option 1, if equals to 1, okay, become d bar equals to 1 plus c bar d bar plus b c bar plus 0. Okay, that's solved. So it's not equals to anything. No, it's not equal. So yeah, so in this case we can just assume this will be as x, and we can also write it as d bar plus x. I mean d bar plus b c bar. You can also write like this. Okay. So if we take a d bar common, we get what we get. This d bar plus b c bar. Then how to solve? So d bar plus b c bar. Okay. So yeah, so this is same as that. This is x bar. What will we get? X bar this plus this. That's all. D bar plus b plus c. That's okay, fine. So option C will answer. Nice, bro. Thank you. So yeah, we did this question. So what next? This question. So which are this not related kernel from? Okay, which are not related kernel from given below. So what we have to check is it's not implementing kernel, right? So they have done some K-map and they are asking to check out this. So let me do how can I do this? First we'll do SOP and then what is SOP? SOP instance first we'll comment all nodes. So if we do this, what is this? This is xy plus this here square is there. Square means like what is common between these two? Y is common, okay, y is common, and what's common between these two? W is common, okay, W is common. So we'll take y, we'll take x plus w, okay. So these are what is option C. So for the option C, okay, it can be POS form, I think, okay. So let me do POS if you consider these two. Okay, we can consider this whole, okay. Consider these two. That's it, right? Consider these two. What is common between these two? This is y. 0 is y, okay, y. What is common between these? Okay, this, okay, we just have two common between these two, man. That's all. Okay, if we just do these two, it's just y. Okay, but they did not simplify like this. So if we try just two, so what will you get? We get x bar plus y. Okay, this term. So what we get? This term will get x bar. I think x plus y. No, not bit too because at these two data x plus y. Is it true? This one will be knowledge, so we will consider these two and what we get then I can just have to these two terms what will get what's the common between these two? Common between these two is what? Y bar. Y is common, and what we left? We just left this one 0. What will this common? That's why okay, y bar into. Okay, this is what? Let's go with this square. 0 is common. Then next 0 is common. Which will become x plus these two w bar. Okay. X plus w bar. Okay. So if you can split it, xy plus w bar y. So y bar inside this y x w bar plus xy plus y. Okay, if we do this time x plus y, x will cancel, we will get what xy, x bar plus 2y. This will already by right, so what you will be given. So what added with y w bar 1 plus xy plus y w. Okay, we can take common. Okay, we can take the common y. Okay, everything is twice common. W x bar plus x w bar plus x plus w. Okay, answer this x plus w. Okay, if I answer these two, what we get? Get x. Okay, we get x. Okay, get x. So y and these two is what? I think there is something missing. Okay, what I can do it again. Yeah. X plus y, these two x plus y. Next to be what? So what they can be? The expression is what? Y into this w. Okay. This. W, right? W I got here as same, so we come what? We take W as common. Trace will become okay, I got it. So often CLs are cut often will be wrong. So what next? This question I got correct. They don't get issues. Okay, so we just solving this map, and after this question is also SO product. Okay, we just have to find the SO product, that's all. And what is this question? Okay, consider the following equation AD bar. Okay, which is following correctly represent. What's this was following? Correctly represent the expression. Okay, so if A is 1, okay, A should be 1 D bar. Okay, here A is 1, right? So okay, yeah, you just have to look at if here A is 1, means here in these two cases D bar is 1, D bar is here should be 1, so these two cases should be 1. No, here it is here, right? So in this case it should be anything. So I think this square should be there. This is wrong and this is correct and this is correct. So option B is wrong. So what next? So A bar, C bar. C bar, these two cases should be, and C bar means what? C bar, okay, these two cases. So here should be square. So if this is wrong, so we have this correct. It's correct. So what next? So B, C bar, D. here it's bits B, so here these two, and C bar D. What's C bar D? C bar D. C bar is this, right? C bar and D. Yeah, this is in this case. This should be these two, both true. So this is wrong. This is correct, and this is correct. So this. So what I will do, this is CD more. They consider here this was this, what would be this, will be like a CD bar. CD bar. Okay, here A D bar, A D bar. Here it is A. Here it is A. What is D? Okay, here D bar is right. Okay, D bar. So here why extract is there now? This option is wrong, this option is wrong, so option is correct. This is just solving the k-map, that's all. So this is just, here we have the same solving k-map. But here the trickiest part was like A XOR B complement, it will become XOR gate. Okay, and A complement XOR B to become XOR gate. I mean A XOR B, I mean A complement XOR B to A XOR B. So if A complement XOR and B complement, it will become just A XOR B. We have to be careful what is properties, and this question, what is question? The Boolean expression for the completed circle coding. Which is okay, essential prime implementation. Okay, this topic I didn't see. Let me make it note. I didn't see this topic. Okay, I'll make it note this topic. I'll stick it so. The question is just let's have to solve this question. I'm just going to what I have. Okay, got it. So the given expression ratio to be related by NOR gates. Okay, it's given. Okay, I have to find which one is correct. NOR gate. So we found this, the k-map should be like around k-map here one square will come to group of the maximum terms, it will become it's common in there, also common in there. Common is A is common, A plus, and what next? If we group of the two terms, what will become C, and what next should become? Should come there B. Okay, CB. That's all. So A plus CB. So we just have to make A plus CB. So they found using XOR gate. So okay, so we have to just see XOR gate. Or okay, it's simple, but like if we know how to form these two XOR, or in this specific question we can also check by using some values. Suppose if we consider S1, so S1 and BC as 0, the output should be 1. So see here XOR, here if we consider 1, it becomes 0. So if anything will be 0 in XOR, okay, 0. So what is this? It will become 0. That's true. No, it will become 1. 1 plus 1 will become 0. So here output is 1. So we consider option B to become A plus B. A plus B is what? A plus B means here A B C. S B If this is 1 becomes 0, what next? BC is 0, so it will become 1 basically. It will become 0, so what's next? C. So is C. C, it will become 1, become 0. So CC, what is CC? Okay, CC will become 1, so 0, it will become 0. What is this BC? So B is 0, and C, the A is 1, so it becomes 0. No, it becomes 0, so it will become what? A, C, it will become 0. So this both become 0, then it should be 1. So yeah, can true. So how to convert this? Means like first we have to do what? It's better to do like A plus how to do this, how to convert this to, I have to mark of converting of this to one like minimum x, I guess. So this question, so the next one is sum of factors. So this, okay, this question we can just do what, so just have to mark out factors. We do these two. Okay, we'll cancel these two. What will we get? We get B A bar plus A. So what about this one now? If we just to map this one, it will become C bar. What's one here? A bar. So it should be plus. Become 1, what will become B plus C bar, that's all. If not, it will be like B plus C bar. So okay, what about this question is some part okay for this simple double also cannot just our simple. So yeah, this question it was some after. Okay, this question implicating communication simple. So I have to look up this topic. So okay, I have to know this. Yeah, it will be the last question. Exactly one given. So let me check this. Done some mistakes here. So yeah, I think I'm way over again. So what's here? We can solve by taking a equals 1 equals 0 by taking a equals 1. Okay, take this. Okay, what it take to, so B bar 0. Okay, case 1 take a equals 0. Case A equals 0 and get this 1, and case 2 take equals 1. Okay, 2. Find answer by adding SOP terms. Okay, that's all. But about sweet numbers and okay, it will be very simple and minimize it. We have to minimize it. So what's the next process? A plus B for C. Expand this key to work into 4 cells. Key map of 3 variable 8 cells. Okay, entries which are non-zero are errors. So result key map. Okay. I think it's not like what I did like B. Okay, just B. Okay, it's not 1, right? Just B and okay, like it's simple like A equals 0, which is A equals 0 and A equals 1. 2 cases and we have to add the minimum, so that's all. So I think that's already there so simpler way. So what is it when I say something? So I'll say equals 1 equals 0, 7 different. Okay, got it. So it is 1992%. So okay, this is what done so far and completed. So my takeaways are from this. I need to practice more about implications and XOR conversions. That's all, like min terms, like minimum number of gates are required, so like that. So yeah, I have done this live. So those who are watching this live, have a great day. Also have a great day as well. So wish you the best. Think it's not appearing to you, but it's okay. We'll be the next stream.